In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Calendar event link. To get started, open Google Calendar on your computer. This process is easiest to complete from the desktop version because the settings you need are clearly visible there. Once Google Calendar is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see the section called My Calendars. This area lists the calendars connected to your account, including any personal, work, or custom calendars you've created. Next, find the specific calendar you want to share. When you hover over that calendar name, you should see a 3-dot menu appear beside it. Click those 3 dots to open more options and then choose Settings and Sharing. This will take you directly into the settings page for that calendar where you can control visibility, permissions, and sharing options. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Access Permissions for Events. This is the area that determines who can view the contents of that calendar. To make the calendar shareable through a public link, check the option called Make Available to Public. Keep in mind that turning this on means anyone with access to the link may be able to view information from that calendar, depending on your visibility settings. So before enabling it, make sure you're comfortable with what will be visible. After that option is enabled, look for the setting that says Get Shareable Link. Click it, and then choose Copy Link. This will place the calendar's public link onto your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need, such as in an email, a message, or on a website. A helpful tip here is to double check that you're sharing the correct calendar before copying the link, especially if you manage more than one. It's also a good idea to review the event visibility settings on your calendar if you want to limit how much detail other people can see. For example, some calendars may show full event information while others may only display that you're busy, and that's it. Once the link is copied, you're ready to share your Google Calendar with others quickly and easily. This is a simple way to give people access to your schedule or event calendar without having to invite them one by one.